What's up, good people? How you doing? I hope I'm in frame. I'm just doing this from my iPhone again. So I'm not in my studio. If you're new to the page, please do me a favor. Go ahead and hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell. And if you've been rolling with me for a while, please continue to hit the like button. It helps to keep me alive. Hey, let's talk about crypto today. I know you guys have been following. We've been, monitoring cryptocurrencies minute by minute. It's been a crazy roller coaster ride. But like I said yesterday, I really wasn't worried about it. I'm going to share my portfolio with you again because it's something very interesting I want you guys to see about being patient and not panic selling. Remember, we look for the red. Having said that, I did not buy last night. Last night would have been a good night. I thought today would be dipped even more, and it still could happen. So warning, cryptocurrency still could take a dip today, being Sunday, the day before Memorial Day. Remember, any video that you listen to talking about equities or cryptocurrencies, always look at the date and time that it's posted. All right. And so I'm glad I didn't. But what I am looking to buy today is now I'm moving more towards the stable coins. I am going to start actually buying some Bitcoin. I haven't been buying Bitcoin at all. All my positions as far as what I call a stable coin has been in Ethereum. So I'm going to continue to buy Ethereum. And secondly, I'm going to start adding to Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin itself. So to me, Bitcoin is like the Dow Jones. When it goes down, everything else goes down, right? And so that's what I'm going to start adding to. Now, what I want you guys to do before I share with you my portfolio is I'm also going to start looking at the crypto, the altcoins that's been beat down the most. Those of you that know, I've been looking at Tezos lately because it came down a lot. Now, I haven't looked at it before I made this, but I've been looking at Tezos, and you guys know that I really do like Matic, which is Polygon. And those are the two that I've been adding to my positions. Cardano, some people call it ADA, that's the one that I have the most of by far. And because I believe in what they're doing, and I believe in, the smart contracts, I believe that they are going to be, their market cap is going to be more than Bitcoin. That's what I believe, right? But now, let's just go right into the portfolio. Look at this portfolio. And so, as you could see, from last night till today, I'm up somewhere, what would that be, around 21%? So we got 21%. I did not buy anything last night. So that portfolio went up 21% by me not even buying anything, meaning it went down that much. Okay. But my message is, if you would have not panic sold and held out, you would be 21% up from where you were. And remember, we here at Stock Up with Larry Jones, we do not panic sell. AKA Uncle Larry is telling y'all, never panic sell. Never panic sell. It just does not work out good. It's not a good look on you. It's not sexy. Excuse the glasses, but I got a lot of sun in my eye. But I wanted you guys to leave me a comment and tell me how many of you guys held out, or how many of you guys actually sold, and did last night's video help you guys to make that decision. I want to know if I'm being helpful. And the way to really help me is to continue to smash that like button and continue to share me with your friends and family. It's greatly appreciated, because I want to help a generation. I just met with some beautiful young people. It was an impromptu meetup. I'm going to start doing these meetups and meet and greets when I go to, come to you guys' cities. And I'm just going to do these pop-ups. This picture right here, we were sitting at a restaurant, and I just went over to the table and just started pouring into these guys. They were already into finances. And these guys are going to be successful. All right. So I just wanted to drop that in there. And I just wanted to say, hey, we buy the red and we sell the green. I did buy some doge this morning. Now the doge I bought that it's actually in my Webull account. I'm going to provide a link below. There's a link in the description. If you're on your cell phone, just put your finger where the title is and you'll see a drop down and you could download the Webull app. You're going to get 2 free stock worth up to $1,850 just by depositing $100, right? But that's where I have my Doge, and I have some more crypto there too. So I have crypto in both of my portfolios, right? But if you really want to get into some serious crypto and you don't have any at all, I suggest you download also the Coinbase, and I have a link below for the Coinbase app. Deposit $100 in there and get started. Okay, good people. But that's all I wanted to show you. Being patient and not panic selling. Up 21% today. And we look for, hold on one second. Let me see. I wrote some things down here. Yeah. So now we're looking for the stock that got beat down the most, good people. And so let's look at, I mean, if you guys find coins that really tanked in the last 48 hours or the last 3 days, those are the ones you want to look for a short-term pop. And my strategy is I'm going to start the altcoins once they run up. I believe that we're going to retest the highs that we had a couple of weeks ago when we hit the all-time highs. I believe we're going to retest those highs. And, you know, it may be a time to sell it just as we retest it. I believe in this cycle, we may blow through it. I think we're going to blow through it. I personally think that Cardano is going to $7. I do. I think Matic is going to pop through and go to $5. These are my predictions. And so if nothing goes crazy, no crazy over regulations, the regular regulations that the United States is putting or talking about putting on crypto is actually a positive catalyst for cryptocurrency, believe it or not, because it's going to allow for more major U.S. institutions to start buying it. So everything that you think is bad news is not. Some of it is good news. It's temporary bad news, long-term good news. I think cryptocurrency is here to stay. It's not going anywhere. And as you see in the past, when this cycle is over, the next cycle is going to have higher highs. So what Larry's plan is doing, remember, I'm not your financial advisor. You must do your own research and consult with your financial advisor, to which I am not. But what I'm doing is I'm going to start easing out of these altcoins, and I'm going to start loading up more on more stable coins. I'm going to keep my Cardano through the winter, and Ethereum and Bitcoin. That is my plan, and a few others. That is my personal plan. Everyone else have your own path. All right, good people. Hopefully this has been helpful. Hopefully it helps somebody out there. Okay, good people. Remember, the 2 links I want you to download if you're not in the game. One is the Webull app. The other one is the Coinbase app. They're both provided below. Deposit $100 in each, and let's get it rolling. All right, good people. Enjoy your holiday. I might drop one in tomorrow and just see how the market is doing from there. Remember, I love you guys, and I keep saying you guys are wonderfully and perfectly made. And I say good people. When I say good people, you guys, I know everybody is not a believer. It's Sunday. Give me this one. When I say good people, I mean God's people. And God made you perfect. Now, it's up to you to strive towards perfection and live a perfect life. But God made you perfect the way you are. And every one of you have brilliance inside of you. You are brilliant. God made you brilliant. But what we have to start doing is tapping into our brilliance. All right, good people, I'm going to leave it right there. I'm not going to preach. I'm not a preacher. I know somebody asked, are you a preacher? No, I believe in people, and I believe in just having a good time, because I choose to be happy every single day. All right. Hey, good people. One more thing. I'm in the Mrs. car. It's cooler because it's got the lighter interior. What is it with y'all women? Y'all keep dirty cars, man. What is it? She gonna kill me. But listen, it's clean today. That's why I'm in it. So listen, I just want to say I'm really, really happy to see a lot of you guys were downloading the Coinbase app at the bottom. I saw a big increase in downloads at the bottom. And that's what needs to happen. That's what we want. We want to continue to buy when it's red and sell when it's green. So I just wanted to say that brings me a lot of joy knowing that a lot of you newer guys are getting it. All right. We're going to create wealth, just like you saw the picture I showed you with those beautiful young people. I didn't know them, but I wound up spending like 30 minutes with them, and some of them were already in finance. And so I'm just trying to spread information. And I just sat and I just poured into those young folk. And I want you guys to do the same thing with your young folk or your friends. And for those of you that are younger and you're more savvy, share it with the older, your mother, your father, your uncles. We have to start creating generational wealth. We cannot live our entire lives just consuming. We have to create. And what we're creating is generational wealth. Okay? I'm going to leave it right there, good people. We'll see you later.